another extractor to show you today. So this is a Logar 9-frame stainless steel manual extractor. You can see it here. So we've got some heavy-duty powder-coated legs that lift it off the ground. They can easily be removed if you want to store the machine. It's got a welded stainless steel valve with a seal in there. Take the honey off. I don't know, you can see it down here. We've got two handles as well on the side, so easy to move it around. So just coming back on top, exactly the same as the stainless steel electric versions, we've got a clear acrylic lid and then a little holder up here that the lid can be clipped to. And this is a 9-frame version, so it will take 9 shallow frames of any size radially. So if you just want to come and have a look in the side here, you can see the stainless steel cage going around and you can see the frames sit on here. It's quite difficult to see, but the bottoms, from the middle where the shaft is, obviously the bottom slopes down, but then the whole bottom slopes towards the valve. So, and the valve is right at the bottom of the tank, so you don't get any honey left in there. There's also no sharp edges, all incredibly well finished. No sharp edges, no seams, nowhere for honey to get trapped inside. This is the manual version. So we've got the handle here. It's a really nice smooth action spinning the cage. You'll also see, like, unlike some extractors, that stops when you stop turning it. It doesn't carry on, the handle doesn't carry on turning until the cage stops. So that stops, which is quite nice. Very easy to take this extractor apart, just 2 screws on either end of the top crossbar, and then the whole assembly can be lifted out. Very easy to clean. The quality is fantastic. It's made from 1.2 mil, again, really thick, heavy-duty stainless steel. We've been dealing with extractors, well, we've been making our own for about 50 years. These Logar ones we've been dealing with for a few years. Haven't seen anything really of similar quality and price on the market. Really, really good extractors. So 9 shallow frames can be loaded into here radially. So just really simple. Pop them in, top bars outermost. Make sure it's balanced. So if you've only got 6 frames to extract, put 2 in each of the 3 areas. If you've only got 3 frames to extract, put 1 in each of the 3 areas. So you can buy, as an extra, a set of 3 of these screens. They just slot into the extractor, like so. And then you can fit deep frames in there and extract tangentially. So we've actually got 14 by 12 frame in here that will fit. It just goes down here against the screen. Close the lid, and then off you go. Another great thing about this extractor, Logar offer a conversion service. So if you've had enough of the manual drive, you can upgrade to a motor version, and we can also supply the motor to turn your manual 9-frame into an electric. And then just the final little extra you can buy if you wanted to for the extractor, you can buy a set of 3 rubber heavy-duty feet that just bolt on from the top, underneath there, bolt on from the bottom top, and then it'll just stop any damage occurring onto your floor. So this is just a real quick video just showing the quality of these Logar extractors. We've got a full range available. This is probably one of the most basic ones we do. Most of them are electric, but this is a lovely manual extractor. So yeah, have a look at our website or come and visit any of our shops just to see the range we do. Thank you.